Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. Today I am very excited kasi ipapakita ko sa inyo or i-recreate natin ang isa sa mga paborito kong tinapay nung bata pa ako. And this is Milky Cheese Bread. So yes guys, today we are baking Milky Cheese Bread. Ano nga ba to? Ito yung isa sa pinaka-paborito kong tinapay nung bata pa ako. Pag kinagat mo siya, OMG, nandun yung flavor ng milk and cheese, pinaghalo, and it kind of melts in your mouth. And huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa sa pagbe-bake. Kasi itong pagbe-bake guys, ito yung nagbibigay sa atin ng pleasure and total satisfaction kapag ito ay nagawa natin sa sarili nating bahay or sarili nating kusina. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ito gawin and let's get started. So guys, for the recipe that we'll be doing today, we have two parts. So we are gonna start with the first part, which is making our bun or our bread. And the ingredients that we need are, we have all-purpose flour, we have a mixture of whole milk and evaporated milk. And nilagay ko nga pala siya sa microwave for 1 minute to warm up. And then we have to set it aside to cool it down. And then we're gonna be using butter, active dry yeast. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng instant yeast. And pinroof ko na rin pala siya. So we have sugar, room temperature beaten egg, we have powdered milk, and fine sea salt. So guys, umpisahan na natin. So guys, let's start with our bread. So I have my all-purpose flour here. I-add natin yung ating mga dry ingredients. Let's start with our sugar. And then yung ating powdered milk. And of course, yung ating sea salt. Ayan. And then, ihalo lang natin muna siya with the whisk. Ayan. If you don't have a mixer, that's okay. Pwede kayong gumamit ng kamay nyo lang. Pero medyo mahina yung grip ko, so I have to use my mixer when making my breads. So, ayan, nahalo na. Ilagay na natin yung ating yeast. Ayan. Yung ating egg, and yung ating mixture of milk, yung evap, yung ating whole milk, and of course, yung ating butter. Nilagay ko na yan lahat dyan. And then, with our dough hook, kabit lang natin. Let's start kneading. Hanggang mag-form na yung ating dough. And make sure to stay in speed number 4 when making breads. So guys, after a while na medyo madikit pa rin yung inyong na-form na dough, pwede nyo siyang lagyan pa konti-konti ng all-purpose flour. So, pa konti-konti lang, maybe about 1 tablespoon. We don't wanna add too much kasi ayaw nating tumigas yung ating dough. Para lang mag-form yung ating dough at hindi siya kumakapit dun sa gilid ng ating bowl. So guys, once na okay na yung inyong dough, you can take it out. Ang gagawin ko lang dito, kasi medyo sticky yung ating dough. So, naglagay lang ako ng konting oil sa aking kamay. And then, dito sa ating surface. Kasi, ayokong mag-add ng too much flour. Kasi, ayokong tumigas yung ating tinapay. So, ayan. Scrape ko lang. And yes, lumalaban siya. So, ayan. Lagay ko lang siya dito. Okay. And then, dito nyo siya i-continue na imasa ng konti hanggang mag-form siya. And ipapakita ko yan sa inyo. So guys, ito na yung ating dough na na-form. And nakita nyo naman, ano na siya, yung makinis. So, ayan. So, ang next nating step, ilalagay lang natin siya sa isang bowl. Ayan, mag-spray lang tayo ng konting oil. And we have to proof this for 1 hour. So, takpan lang natin siya ng cling wrap or saran wrap. So guys, while we are waiting to proof our bread or our bun, let's make the streusel or kung saan natin i-roll yung ating tinapay. So, the ingredients that we need for this are, we have all-purpose flour, milk powder, again, and we have processed cheese. We're also going to be using butter, and this is room temperature butter, and granulated sugar. So, napakadali lang nitong gawin. So, guys, ito na nga gawin na natin yung ating streusel. So, ito na yung ating all-purpose flour. Paghahalu-haluin lang natin yung ating mga ingredients. So, ilalagay ko na yung ating sugar. Then, gagamit tayo ng milk powder. And again, yung mga measurements nito, ilalagay ko lahat sa description box below. Of course, yung ating butter. Room temperature butter. Ayan. And then, yung ating processed cheese. So, i-grate ko lang siya. So, guys, paghahalu-haluin lang natin yung mga pinagsama-sama nating ingredients. Haluin ko muna siya ng spoon. Para lang tayong naghahalo or naggagawa ng empanada dough. So, ayan. Hanggang parang maging crumbly na yung texture niya. So, ayan. With clean hands, gusto ko talagang ginagawa ito eh. So guys, after 1 hour, ready na yung ating tinapay or yung ating dough. Nag-double na siya ng kanyang size. And ayan na siya. And again, mag-i-spray lang ako ng konting oil sa kamay ko. And then, ipapunch ko lang yung ating dough to let the air out. And again, ilalagay lang ako ng konting oil dito sa aking working surface. And ilalagay ko dito yung ating tinapay or yung ating dough. So, ang next step natin sa ating dough ay gagamit tayo ng scale. Yan. And i-weigh ko lang siya. Depende yan sa inyo. Around 40 to 42 grams. We don't want our cheese bread to be overly huge. Yung parang mga ganyang size lang. Diba? Yan. So, para hindi tayo maumay sa tinapay. So, i-measure ko lang siya or i-weigh ko lang siya. And then, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sunod nating step. So, guys, tapos ko nang i-weigh yung ating mga dough. So, ang gagawin lang natin next is ipe-press lang natin yung ating dough. Then, babaliktarin ko siya. And then, ipapasok ko lang siya sa loob, just like that. And then, ipe-press ko lang siya. And then, bibilugin natin siya. Just like that. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. So, tatapusin ko lang ulit itong process na to and then ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sunod nating step. So, guys, ito na, nabilog ko na yung ating dough and ayan na yung itsura niya. So, yung ating susunod na step, of course, we have our streusel here. And gagamit din tayo ng whole milk or evaporated milk, kung ano yung merong available sa inyo. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-dip natin yung ating dough first sa ating milk. And then, ididip natin siya dito sa ating streusel. So, ayan. So, gumagamit tayo ng milk para dumikit yung ating streusel dun sa ating dough. So, ayan. So, guys, natapos ko nang idip yung ating dough dun sa ating streusel. So, ito na siya. And then, we have to proof this again for 45 minutes. So, tatakpan lang natin siya ng cloth para hindi siya mag-dry. And then, again, we will have to wait for 45 minutes. So, halfway through ng pag-iintay natin, pwede nyo nang i-turn on yung inyong oven to 350 degrees. So, guys, ready na tayong mag-bake. Okay, so na-proof na natin yung ating bread. So, ilalagay na natin siya. Again, the oven has to be preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ayan. And we will bake this for 16 to 18 minutes. So, guys, ready na yung ating cheese bread. Milky cheese bread. Ayan na siya. Wow! So, guys, ready na yung ating milky cheese bun. And, ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Diba? And, super fluffy siya. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? So, pakita ko sa inyo. Hatiin ko lang siya sa gitna. Ayan. Mainit pa kasi siya. Wow! O, diba? So, guys, tikman na natin. So, guys, tikman na natin yung ating milky cheese bread. So, ayan na nga siya. Bango! Sarap, guys. Fluffy siya. And hindi siya ganun kabigat kapag kinain nyo siya. Lasang-lasa yung ating milk powder. Yung ating cheese. This is perfect with your coffee, guys. Kaya, sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. And that's it for our video today, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating milky cheese bread recipe for today. And sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and baking videos. See you guys again. Bye!